And thankfully, so many were able to get outside and cherish those memories, and of course, to celebrate so many of the wonderful things that make Baltimore amazing. So many events were outdoors this weekend, and by and large, we were able to get them through. Not too much of a lightning risk, though it was gloomy, it was rainy, it was foggy. We had all of the inclement elements. Even today, a little bit. This evening, outside right now, still a little gloomy and a little drizzly. However, I will say the worst of the weather this evening has temporarily shifted south of Baltimore. Quite a stormy go of it across the Mid-South, though, through the Tennessee River Valley. We're now just north of the worst of the weather. This front is stalled to our south. That's why it's still raining so much, not too far away. And this is a bit of a troublemaker in the forecast. It's going to sneak back northward and spread some rain back into our forecast as we get into the middle of the week. And again, even tomorrow could be a couple of rain showers around, though not as wet as it was over the weekend. Speaking of, this is as of yesterday evening, more than 4 inches of rain recorded over the past few days at the Inner Harbor. Dulles should say 3.5, just more than 3 officially at BWI. Reagan 1.31 and Hagerstown 2.72. Some have seen more than this. Reminder, you can send us your rainfall totals. Let us know how much rain you have seen over the past few days to pictures at WJZ.com. Send us the green grass and your rainfall totals, and you can hear them right here on WJZ. One thing that all the rain has done, though, again, soil moisture has come up. It's muggy, it's foggy. It was this morning, and it will be again tomorrow morning. We're looking at widespread low visibility, a quarter-mile to half-mile visibility, eastern shore crossing the Bay Bridge tomorrow morning. Visibility could be quite low. Could be some delays out there, even into the city. This is mainly before 7:30, 8:30 in the morning, though, and then we'll see that fog lift. Temperature-wise, we're waking up to lower 60s in Baltimore, 65 Salisbury, also in Stevensville 65. In fact, many of us in the mid-60s tomorrow morning, so a pretty warm start. Reminder, students, folks that are driving may have a little harder time seeing them. Maybe assist them with that walk to the bus stop if your neighborhood happens to be one seeing the denser fog. And there could be a couple of rain showers tomorrow morning, especially on the south side, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Overall, though, not everyone's going to see rain tomorrow. One opportunity in the morning into early afternoon, and then a second opportunity for some rain as we get into the evening. I think we're all seeing clouds, and it's going to be humid and fairly warm, but not everyone sees heavy rain tomorrow. 7 o'clock in the morning, scattered rain across the metro, but again, steadiest of the rain down 97 into Anne Arundel County, especially south of Annapolis, but that'll try to get a little farther northward. That's at 11 a.m. So really it's mid-morning through about lunchtime, 1, 2 p.m. that we see the wettest weather, and then a bit of a decline in the amount of rain we're seeing by 3, 4 o'clock, followed by more showers, though, as we get into the evening. In your Maryland cast, 60s, 70s across the board. Everyone has that rain chance, but the greatest chance is south of I-70, like in Easton, with a high of 74, 72 in Annapolis, 78 in Westminster. So yet again, a little warm, a little muggy tomorrow if you're headed to the O's game. I think rain wrapping it up by this point. First pitch is at 6:35. Not too worried about any baseball delaying issues. We will be back to 81 Thursday, 78 sunshine on Friday.